Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your chat bubble skin in Heartopia. So my friend recently kindly gifted me the members pass for the winter season event. But basically, to change it, just type in something here in the chat box. Select your chat box, go to edit skin and select the one you want, press save, and it's going to automatically change. It is super cute, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!